Hey, what's up guys, this is Aditya here, back with another video on TechRix, and today in this video let's unbox the best 4K mirrorless camera at this price segment. So let's unbox the Sony Alpha A6400, and it is priced at around 86,000 rupees, but I got it around 72,000 rupees in the Chroma store, and I think it's a really good deal. This camera is one of the best cameras at this segment. So opening up the lid, you get the 64GB memory card, which would be absolutely perfect for all of those 4K video recordings. So that's amazing. Next up, digging deep into the box, you get a user manual, which I guess no one is going to be using. Then you have the yellow classic yellow Sony warranty card and other pamphlets, which I guess I'm not going to be requiring anymore. Next up is the battery. The battery is pretty tiny, I guess. I guess we will definitely be requiring a bigger battery if we are trying to use this camera for recording videos or photos. But yeah, that's the catch with all of the mirrorless cameras, I guess. Next up is the AC cord. So standard stuff. Next up is a electronic viewfinder hood. I mean, it can come in handy if you're like going to take photographs. Next up is an AC adapter. You get a USB port on one side and the power port on the other side, if that's a port, I guess. So next up is a micro USB cable, which is really good. So I wish it had Type-C, but yeah, it was a camera which was launched back in 2019. So yeah, please give Type-C port even on cameras, because there be one port for all. So next up is a camera strap, which is very standard stuff. Next up we have the star of the show, the Sony A6400 itself. I mean, the camera feels really heavy, but the weight balance is good and it has a solid hefty feel to it, and it is definitely built like a tank. I mean, I am really impressed with the body of the camera. You get the kit lens, so I got the version with the standard 16 to 55 mil kit lens. I guess this would do the job for me right now, so I'm like starting out in YouTube. So yeah, I just wanted a camera which could record 4K videos without any kind of crop, and the Sony A6400 is a perfect camera, and it also has a flip up screen. The only catch is that you cannot mount a microphone on top of the camera, and if you mount it you cannot like view the display, so you have to buy a separate hot shoot relocator. That's the only con, I guess. Other than that, this camera has really good features like picture profiles, and it has HLG, and for all of the video content creators out there, this is the camera to get in 2020. And I would definitely recommend any of you to buy this camera over the Canon M50. Like, if you can exceed your budget, then like you can buy this, or if even the Canon M50 is a really good camera, don't get me wrong, but I guess this is a really good deal right now in 2020. So if you enjoyed watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.